Designing a minimalist living room in a small apartment requires more than just choosing simple furniture and neutral colors. It's about creating a space that feels open, comfortable, and harmonious, where every element has purpose and presence. A minimalist approach can transform even the tiniest living room into a serene retreat, balancing functionality with visual calm. To help you achieve that balance, here are some essential principles and practical insights to consider when designing a minimalist living room for your small apartment. 1. Understanding the core of minimalism. Minimalism is often misunderstood as emptiness or lack of personality. In reality, it's about intentional living, surrounding yourself only with what truly matters and removing anything that creates distraction or clutter. A minimalist living room focuses on clarity, order, and space. It's not about having fewer things. It's about ensuring every item serves a purpose or brings joy. This mindset is especially valuable in small apartments, where each square meter must be carefully utilized. The result should feel light, balanced, and breathable, a space that promotes calm and enhances daily living. 2. Start with a functional layout. A successful minimalist design begins with a thoughtful layout. In small apartments, every inch counts, so furniture arrangement must prioritize movement, functionality, and comfort. Start by analyzing how you use the living room. Is it mainly for relaxing, entertaining, or working? Once you know its main function, plan the layout accordingly. Keep pathways open. Avoid blocking natural flow with bulky furniture. Use multifunctional pieces. Choose furniture that serves more than one purpose, such as a sofa bed, nesting tables, or storage ottomans. Define zones subtly. In an open-plan apartment, use rugs, lighting, or furniture placement to define living areas without adding partitions. A well-planned layout allows your space to breathe and feel more spacious than it actually is. 3. Choose a calming, neutral color palette. Color plays a crucial role in creating the illusion of space. For minimalist living rooms, opt for neutral and light tones like white, beige, gray, or soft taupe. These hues reflect light, making the room appear larger and more inviting. To avoid monotony, add subtle variations in tone or texture. A white wall paired with a light wood floor or a soft gray sofa introduces visual interest while keeping the overall mood serene. If you prefer a touch of color, incorporate muted accents, perhaps sage green cushions or sandy beige throws that complement rather than compete with the neutral base. The key is harmony, not contrast. 4. Simplify furniture choices. Minimalist design thrives on simplicity and proportion. Choose furniture with clean lines, slender legs, and subtle details. Oversized or overly ornate pieces can overwhelm small spaces. A few essential furniture items, such as a compact sofa, a streamlined coffee table, and a slim media console, are often all you need. Avoid overfilling the room. Instead, let negative space enhance the sense of openness. When possible, choose floating furniture such as wall-mounted shelves or cabinets to maintain floor visibility. This creates an airy, uncluttered aesthetic that aligns perfectly with minimalist ideals. 5. Focus on quality over quantity. In minimalist design, less truly means more. Rather than decorating your living room with many small items, invest in a few high-quality pieces that bring long-term value and visual balance. A solid wood coffee table, a well-crafted sofa, or a textured area rug can all become focal points that elevate the entire space. Avoid impulsive decor purchases. Every piece should serve a clear purpose or emotional function. This selective approach not only saves space, but also encourages mindful living, a cornerstone of minimalist philosophy. 6. Master the art of decluttering. Clutter is the greatest enemy of minimalism. In a small apartment, even a few misplaced objects can make the room feel chaotic and cramped. To maintain order, adopt smart storage solutions. Use built-in cabinets, hidden compartments, or multi-purpose furniture to keep items out of sight. Limit decorative accessories. Choose a few meaningful objects, a vase, an artwork, or a plant, to create visual harmony. Embrace clean surfaces. Keep tabletops, shelves, and floors as open as possible. A clutter-free environment amplifies the sense of spaciousness and calm, allowing the minimalist design to truly shine. 7. Incorporate natural light and simple lighting fixtures. Lighting dramatically influences how a minimalist living room feels. Natural light should be maximized whenever possible. Opt for light, sheer curtains, or even go curtain-free to allow daylight to flood the space. For artificial lighting, layer your sources thoughtfully. Ambient lighting provides general illumination. Task lighting focuses on functional areas, like reading corners. Accent lighting highlights textures or artwork subtly. Choose simple, understated fixtures that blend with the room's architecture. Sleek pendant lamps, recessed ceiling lights, or slim floor lamps. Warm white light, around 3000 K, enhances comfort without breaking the minimalist harmony. 8. Add texture to prevent flatness. A minimalist living room doesn't have to feel sterile. The secret to maintaining warmth within simplicity lies in texture. Use tactile materials such as linen cushions, woven rugs, natural wood, or stone surfaces. Texture adds depth and dimension, creating visual richness without clutter. A single textured accent wall, a jute rug, or a woven throw can infuse character into the minimalist setting while preserving the tranquil mood. Natural materials are particularly effective, as they bring an organic softness that complements the minimalist aesthetic perfectly. 9. Use art and decor mindfully. Art and decor in minimalist interiors should be carefully curated. Instead of filling walls with multiple frames or decorative objects, choose 1 or 2 statement pieces that reflect your personality. A single large artwork or a sculptural vase can make a stronger visual impact than several smaller items. Remember, negative space, the empty area around an object, is part of minimalist composition. It gives the eye room to rest and enhances focus on what truly matters. Plants are another excellent addition. A tall indoor plant or a small potted succulent adds life, color, and organic warmth without disrupting simplicity. 10. Create emotional comfort through balance. Finally, minimalism isn't just a visual style, it's a feeling. A minimalist living room should evoke a sense of calm, balance, and comfort. Pay attention to proportions, symmetry, and flow. Keep sight lines clear, ensure lighting feels soft, and use warm textures to counterbalance clean lines. When every element feels intentional and nothing feels excessive, the result is emotional harmony. A small apartment can still feel spacious, luxurious, and deeply personal when designed with mindfulness and restraint.